Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about some of the good IELTS books available in the market which you can simply download from Amazon. A lot of students ask me that which books they can buy and they can start their practice at home. Well, there are a lot of books available in the market and sometimes for students it is quite confusing to pick up the best one for them. So in today's video, I will suggest you some of the books which you can easily purchase from any online store. And I will also describe the prices of these books in my video. Without any doubt, before you appear in the IELTS exam, you must go through Cambridge IELTS books. There are 14 books available in the market. All these books are also available on Amazon and Flipkart and on other online stores. These books are worth rupees 250 to 300. The latest versions are a bit expensive. Yes, the latest version, book 14, is the most expensive one, but the other books are quite affordable. Make sure that whenever you buy, you have to buy the CD along with it. So in some of the online books, the CD is not available and the price is less, and the books which have the CD, the price will be more. These books are something which I always suggest to my students, and the reason is they have really good authentic IELTS test papers, which means that the test papers which are published in these books have actually come in the IELTS exam. It's not compulsory for you to buy all these 14 set of books. It depends on your level actually. If your level of English is good and you feel like you can prepare yourself in just 1 or 2 months, then I will suggest you to buy the latest versions, which means book 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But if you feel like you're not good enough in English and you need to prepare thoroughly for your exam and you have a lot of time, then you can buy all the books. Another book which is one of my favorite is the Cambridge Official Guide to IELTS. This book is available at 500 rupees on Amazon, and this is really a good book. I personally love this book, and the reason why I really like this book is because it has 8 practice tests, and along with practice test it also has a separate section in which it explains all 4 modules. So if you don't know what is reading, what is writing, and how you can improve your speaking skills, how you can improve your writing, how you can do your reading, every single thing is explained by Cambridge in detail with good exercises also. So if you are a beginner, you don't know anything about IELTS, then this is a must have. The next book which I also like a lot is Test Builder. It has 2 editions, edition 1 and edition 2. Edition 1 is a bit easier and edition 2 is more difficult. Now this book is for those students who want to score higher bands. Means if your target is to achieve more than 7 bands, then you must go through these books. The cost of these books on Amazon is around 300 to 400 rupees. So these are some of my favorite books which I always suggest to my students before they appear in the exam. Apart from it, when you fill exam, if you're going to fill exam in British Council, they will be giving you a very nice book which is their own published book, and it is really difficult. If your target is really high, then you must go through that book also. And if you're going to fill exam in IDP, then IDP will also give you a book. And right now this year the book which is given by IDP for exam students is book 13. That is also a really nice book, as I told you earlier in the video. So these are the books which you can buy and you can prepare at home. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with those students who are going to appear in the IELTS exam.